Welcome everyone. Your iPhone Air is not receiving calls. Like I'm literally calling myself right now and I got put straight into voicemail or the call rings and it doesn't connect. So if you would like to fix this, what we need to do is first of all, swipe down from the far right hand side of the screen and you see the do not disturb. If you don't see do not disturb, just long press here. And if you have any of these focus modes on, tap this to turn it off. And now let me call myself again. And now you can see this time the call is showing up. We can answer it. We can hang up. There we go. Now real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. If you did not find this video useful, leave any questions, any concerns in the comment section. I'll try my best to reply and check them out. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.